Hey everyone, Ukulele Maniac here, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to play Havana on the ukulele. And this one does not require a capo, so please stay tuned and I'll teach you how to do it. So as usual, make sure you have your uke and make sure it's in tuned. And let's get on with the tutorial. These are the chords. If you already know them, that is awesome, and you can skip to a later portion of the video so you can learn the strumming pattern and chord progression of the song. The first chord is going to be a G minor, and this is first finger on the first fret 4th string, second finger on the 2nd fret 2nd string, and third finger on the 3rd fret 3rd string. The next chord is going to be a C minor. You're just going to bar the first 3 strings on the bottom lower level of the 3rd fret. So it should look like this. The next chord is a D. You're going to take your first finger, put it on the 2nd fret 1st string, second finger on the 2nd fret 2nd string, and your third finger on the 2nd fret 3rd string. Moving on to the strumming pattern, it is down, down, up, tap, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, tap, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That'll be somewhere down here where you can look at it and tell, because it is quite difficult once you hear it, but once you are able to see it and practice it for a little bit, it is way easier. So let's do that with the G minor chord. So this is a chord progression. We're starting off with the G minor, moving on to the C minor, then going to the D. So the strumming pattern with the chords goes like this. So again, I'll do it slower for you guys so you get a more feel of what it is. So we have down, down, up, tap, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So guys, I hope that this video helped you learn Havana and made it easier for you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe and to comment down below what other songs you would like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.